Differentiate high blood pressure and low blood pressure. Blood pressure is one of the typical diseases of the 21st century. It is worth noting here that at present, the number of people suffering from blood pressure diseases is in danger of increasing. 1. High blood pressure. The blood pressure value of a normal person ranges from 90/60ths of a millimeter of mercury to 139/89ths of a millimeter of mercury and varies depending on the age, gender and different times of the day, seasonally, or even in particular, of each body. High blood pressure can occur at any age. Unexplained hypertension can account for 90 to 95% of cases. Hypertension is a consequence of several other pathologies such as renal artery stenosis, hyperthyroidism, birth control pills. Blood pressure is called high when it is 140/90ths of a millimeter of mercury or higher, and low when blood pressure is less than 90/60ths of a millimeter of mercury frequently. In many cases, patients do not have such symptoms, but blood pressure measurements indicate that they have high blood pressure. Therefore, symptoms such as dizziness and fatigue may be experienced in hypertension, but may be encountered in conditions such as stress, ear, eye, neurological, and endocrine diseases. 2. Low blood pressure. Low blood pressure is a term used for people with low blood pressure, good health but lower blood pressure than people of the same age. This is not a disease, it should be distinguished from the case of hypotension. A person with a blood pressure has a normal systolic pressure above 100 mm of mercury, but at some point the blood pressure drops below 60 mm of mercury, called a drop in blood pressure. The cause of hypotension is a sudden decrease in volume, diarrhea, loss of blood due to traffic accident, gastrointestinal bleeding, or some diseases such as heart failure, myocardial infarction, infection, severe coincidence. Hypotension is common in people who eat less, skip meals, the distance between meals is too far, thereby leading to lower blood sugar levels. These habits, if repeated regularly, reduce the tone of the blood vessels and result in a drop in blood pressure. Obviously, people who have high blood pressure often need a reasonable, scientific diet.